If you struggle to fall asleep, or wake up at 3 a.m. every night, you've probably heard people talking about CBD for sleep. But does it actually work? Here's the interesting part. CBD isn't really a sleeping pill. Instead, it may help by reducing the things that stop you sleeping, like anxiety, stress, and even chronic pain. It works by interacting with your body's endocannabinoid system, which helps regulate things like mood, relaxation, and your sleep cycle. If you're thinking about trying it, most people start with around 10 to 25 milligrams about 30 to 60 minutes before bed, then adjust slowly depending on how they feel. Different formats work differently too. CBD oil works faster, while gummies or capsules can last longer overnight. We've broken down exactly how CBD affects sleep, how much to take, and the safest ways to use it in our full guide. So if you want the complete science and dosage tips, check out the full article linked below.